Hola, 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 hola. Hola, Nhlanhla. Sigamba kanjani? Thank you, Asgirl, for joining the live. Kodwa ninjani bafethu, niyaphila? Niyaphila or nenza kanjani? Impilo iyaphusheka bafethu, thina siyalwela bafethu. We make sure ukuthi siyalwela. Ngoba izinto zethu bafethu zihambela slow. Kodwa hayi kuzodlula kona. Noma izinto ezihambela slow. Hola boy. All is well so far, so good. That's nice, my brother. That's nice. Unjani bra? Ndiyaphila bra yami. Unjani? Bafethu, it's been a while. Dala nginganiboni bafethu. I've been so busy bafethu. Ngizama ukupusha ama-track man. Ngiyabona le ndaba. So ngizama ukupusha ama-track ukuthi nami at least I don't wanna do these remix things. I was doing it for followers, ama-recognition. Ukuthi abantu bakhona ukungibona yabo. So kana manje it's a very hectic challenge manje. Kumele ukuthi ngipromote music wami manje. The most difficult part bafethu, pushing yourself is not easy. Serious, it's not easy bafethu. Poison. Hola Brian. Kumele ukuthi siphushe Brian. Azila uthi yami le magalelo omncane ungikhumbuza Ishle Grootman lami bafethu, my role model bafethu. Please with the one and only. Skiphani lapho Brian. Kumele ukuthi sishaye ispani lapho. Kumele ukuthi sishaye ispani. Ngiphethe ama-tracks lawa ngazi ukuthi angiwacedanga yabo. Ama-tracks wakhona it's 3-step, it's culture. It's the new culture. Thank you for following me bafu. Ithi ngikufollow back lapho. Sikhona ukukhuluma. Sikhona ukukhuluma Brian mangiceda le live. Sibona ukuthi sisipana kanjani. Bengisacocela ama-viewers la. Ukuthi pushing your own tracks bafethu is not easy. Ukutrenda ukutrenda ngalento leyo wazi ukuthi it's already been there. Into leyo wazi ukuthi ya trend. It's very easy to trend. But starting from zero ukuthi trend by your own stuff bafethu eziyakhala alright bra. So sokhuluma Brian. Ngizokuthinta lapho wena uzongithinta ntwana yami. Yindebele. My language it's Tsonga. Just that I'm singing in Zulu and ngikhuluma isiZulu khona la life yabo. So that many people can catch up some things, because most of my followers bakhuluma isiZulu. Nami ngisikhoni kahle bafethu. I'm just trying. It's not my language. Ngihlala ePitori. Hello Patricia. Skiphani. Hi my favorite. Hi Tapsi, my friend. Oh, sawona bhuti. Hola. You sound Ndebele. I've been around abantu labakhuluma isiNdebele. That's why, like, I'm not surprised. You can say that. So bafethu, as I was talking bafethu ukuthi mina, my only wish, my only dream bafethu ukuthi at least bafethu i-track yami bafethu ngibone i-trend bafethu this year, not next year, not nini. I want it this year. Ngisazowafuna ama-hit and that track angifuna ukuthi like kube a big celebrity. Hayi ngoba if that particular celebrity uzokhipha le track angeke bathuwe bayothi dlala thukuzeni uyashaya Kabza the Small uyashaya abathi wena bakhuluma ngegama lakho bani uyashaya siyazi ukuthi masi ama upcoming artist sonke we can make a magic sa trenda sonke saba right sonke basibhuka sonke yabo. So iyo lento lengifunayo bafethu mina. I just want, even if you are a vocalist bafethu, especially amantombazana, even if you are a boy, kodwa ngifuna abantu bokudlala mina ngoba mina I'll put my effort. Wena wenza izinto zakho mina bafethu. If uyazi ukuthi bafethu you are ready, just text me bafethu. Angeke ngikutshele ngemali ukuthi I do paid features wata as long as you are good bafethu. And mina I'm around Pretoria. Yeah, mina I'm around Pretoria bafethu. Impilo yami ngiphushele Pretoria. So yeah bafethu, don't ngasabi man. Let's collaborate bafethu, senze any magic, senzeleni sonke senze imali yabo. So yeah, mina into lengifunayo like I need upcoming artist kuphela njengami ngoba mina I'm also a producer, but if you are a producer also, you can hit me bafethu saspana, as long as ispan sakho sihamba grand. Ngiyakutshela bro wami, everything is pop into enye nenye bafethu imjojo. And ngithanda ukutshela abantu ukuthi bathanda ukuthi wena ntwana you have ama-followers, uyatrenda what ngithi bafethu, this trending thing bafethu is not easy bafethu. Usazothola ama-pressure, bakhona abantu laba bazokutshela ukuthi angeke uye ndawo what ifame yakhona ikhona ukuyehla, ifame ikhona ukuyehla njengoba ama-big artist ayehla. Yes, you can see. So ifame bafethu it's nothing, it's just that efuna ukuthi wena uyiphathe grand. Yeah, uthi ube grand man, ube ne-discipline, this kind of things man, ube ne-discipline. This artistic thing ayifuna umuntu lo angana discipline ngoba niyababona bafethu naba abantu be-SA, abantu base South Africa nabazi ukuthi bayakhansela, abona bazokukhansela mawusudelela bayakhansela. So mina khona manje they know me from ama remix. So I wanna make sure ukuthi at least this year bafethu ngishaye nge-hit eyi-1 yabo. So even if I'm a promoter, if you know you are a girl you are a promoter or a boy, just text me bafethu sispane. Yeah, sispane sibone ukuthi sipushelana kanjani ngoba sometimes bafethu you won't make it in life if you don't have some other people. Lento le ifuna ama-connections yabo. So asisipanisaneni bafethu. If uyazi ukuthi wena unefoni ye-content yokuthatha i-content uthatha ama-track wabantu bafethu just posting, just hit me. Nama khona ama-track la ngaziyo ukuthi I wanna push yabo, I wanna work with you, bruh. As long as you do good things, it's not a problem. We can work every day, every time until isithola le hit. Yebo. Mina bafethu ekhandeni lami bafethu ngicwele ngama-hit. Just that bafethu angazi man. Niyazi TikTok injani bafethu. If khona manje I create a remix yaka, let's do example ngithi I create remix yaka what Dlala Thukzin, bese ngicreate remix yaka Kabza the Small or Paul or anyone who is big is a trend. It's obvious is a trend. Ayikho into lesingayenza izotrenda vele ngoba nama followers wami niyawabona ngibamba. So bafethu ukutrendisa ingoma your own song, ngaze ngafila ngathi ngakhala. Guys, trendisa ingoma yakho bafethu, Spanish Spire. And I've been refusing some other record labels. Say, into zama record labels angifuni ukukhala. I don't wanna cry ngoba already akhona ama-track wami. La ngaziyo ukuthi they are on the map, but the reality is I think too mina ngithanda ukukhuluma kakhulu. So izinto zakhona bafethu. Yebo. So as I was saying bafethu, this music thing is not easy. It's not easy. And one thing about music, we both have challenges. There is no the best on this music industry. Unless you are the one who's trending, but there's no one can say angadlula abantu bonke ngokucula on this music industry. There's no way. I can bet on that one. These things ehamba nga like ngefame yabo. Let's say maybe Dalyonga, he can sing too much, but he's not the best singer on the gents. We have Tugutela, we have Sykes. They are doing the most, bafethu. Like it's their time, but angeke badlula umuntu omunye nomunye bafethu. Ifana nesikolo bafethu. Like you can be smart or be smarter than anyone on your school, but you're not the best amongst all.